What's up, guys? Today we got a video and kind of a tutorial about setups and a little bit more info about that. And today I will be putting together my setup and giving you tips. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, so basically what I'm doing here is just the beginning steps. I'm taking apart my setup and putting everything to the side and keeping it organized. Alright guys, so monitor, keyboard is taken off now for the computer and all the ugly cable management. Oh my gosh, this was bad. Just look at this. That is bad. That's crazy. Alright, but see you in the time lapse. So next thing is taking out cables, and the best solution that I figured out is that taking them out all like one by one cable individually instead of taking them all at like a whole clump of cables out at once. It makes it much easier. So yep, that's what I'm doing right now. Alright y'all, so these are from the seat of my computer, but everywhere else, oh my gosh, this is dirty. I will take 100% blame for this. Damn. That's crazy dirty. See all that dust? That's crazy. What I did here is the closest thing I had just by chance was a shirt, so I just went over and just cleaned all the dust with the shirt, and then I went over with the Mr. Clean pad just to get first little run through with it just to get off the majority things. And then this is from all the lint and dust that's on the desk, so I'd recommend cleaning maybe about once every month or every other month, whatever suits you best. And this is from the first layer / like cleaning with the pad, and just to show how much it gets off. So now I'm going back with the Mr. Clean tab, and I'm just cleaning and doing scrubbing where the feet of the computer was, to make sure I can get off as much as I possibly can. So now it's, for me, taking off the screws under the side of my desk. And for me, it's like an Allen size thing, I guess. And yeah, took off the power strip under my desk, unscrewing the back ones. And now, since the tabletop has been there for a while, it was a little stuck, I grabbed some soft material and put it on the floor since I have a leg strip on the side of the desk, and it wouldn't damage it, so there's some cushioning in between it. So now you can see that I'm taking apart the actual legs of the desk so I can keep them stacked up and folded in a nice pile. So now comes the best part, soon to be. I'm starting to put together the desk. I got the legs ready. Now I'm just putting the little feet that connect to the tabletop, and eventually I would be making sure that both sides are even, so it's evenly spaced out. And here I would recommend that you have somebody help you, because this took a while. It was a long process. It would have been much easier if I had someone to help me at that point. So here I had the little help of my brother. He helped me screw in the screws to the desk to keep the tabletop sturdy and connected to the legs. And now this is where everything starts. I had to put a little bar under the desk because the way that my legs work from my desk is that it's a single motor, and so there has to be a rod that connects to the other leg so both of them rise up at the same time. So what I got here is this dual monitor mount that clips onto your desk. It's like a little spin thing at the bottom, and it clips on. It's pretty sturdy. It can hold up two 27-inch monitors. I think up to like 20 pounds each or something. Yeah, it's pretty good. I will leave a link in the description if you want to buy it. Alright, so 2020, it has to have RGB lights on it. So I got this little 6-foot kit from Amazon. It was about like $16. It was pretty cheap. It's supposed to come with a controller, and you can control it from your phone. They have a little app that you can download. And basically I'm just putting it around the edge of my desk. It has like 3M tape, so it's pretty stuck on. It won't move for a while. And yeah, it's very good. Once again, I'll leave a link in the description for it. And another thing that's very helpful for the edge of the computer, like the desktop, when you want to go around the corner, is that you try to cut like a little like slit in the like rubber that's on the outside of it, but make sure you just cut that layer and don't cut the actual like electrical piece of the RGB strip. Because if you do, and if you cut it not like the gold connector, the whole entire strip is just gonna die. So how I do it for my third monitor, like on top, I have a little shoe box, and then I put another plastic box on top. And since for my other monitor arm, there's like a little arm that extends, and I have that pushing on the box so it doesn't move too much. But I wouldn't recommend this. This is not 100% the safest way, but if the shoe fits, you wear it then. So now here's a general overview of the cables and how I have everything set up before I start doing the cable management to make everything look nice. Have the cables hanging under the desk, and yep, let's get to it. Alright, so when doing cable management under the desk, you're gonna have a general idea of what you're gonna do. So what I did ahead of time off camera is I looked around and I had a general idea of where the cable was gonna go. I was gonna have cables going on the back of my desk, going left and right. So now I'm just doing little things that I usually do to mount my power strip on the back of my desk. I had a little tape, and then I used super glue around the edges just to keep it up there and have the tape help it stick up there for a bit. And I used my fan to help the drying process go a little faster, and yeah, helped a lot. Testing out the plugs real quick just to make sure I can take plugs in and out without the power strip falling out. Let me know what you guys think about this voiceover. Am I doing it too much, or am I not doing it enough, or is it just kind of annoying? Let me know in the comments down below. I need your feedback. What I'm using here is like little like cable straps, but they have 3M tape on one side, and you can peel it off and stick it to the underside of your desk so it holds the cables up instead of them drooping down like I had them before. And yeah, it saves a lot of time. It helps a lot. I'd recommend it. Link in the description. Only thing not to do is just the finishing touches. Make sure everything looks good. Cables are at least looking somewhat nice, as much as I can do. And with those cables that are hanging down, a couple days later, I eventually got these little cable sleeves, black cable sleeves that blend in with the table legs. And they pretty much make all the cables look like it's just one, and it's not 20 cables dangling. Let me know what you guys think about this setup, the video in general. How do you think I did? Your feedback is very needed so we can communicate on how you want to see videos and how they can be better and just more entertaining for you and other people. Let me know.